Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and today we're going to do a video showing you how to do launch control in your BMW X5M and X6M. Alright, so step one of putting launch control on in your X5M is make sure all your operating temperatures are up. You don't want to be doing this on cold engine or anything like that. Secondly, you should have good tires on the vehicle and obviously safe road conditions and whatnot. Once you've verified all that, it's pretty simple. You are actually going to go into your M1 setting on your dash, and then down here you're going to make sure that this is in the third and most aggressive setting, and then you are going to turn off traction control and put it in manual mode, and then from there you're going to mash the brake and mash the gas full throttle. So I will show you, and that will put up a launch control ready little flag on your dash. So like I said, we are in M1, most aggressive shift, manual mode, traction off, full brake, full gas, launch control active. And there you go. That is launch control in your X5M.